Hello, welcome back to my digital diaries. This is AI dictionary video series and this is episode 3. Today we are diving into the world of prompt and prompt engineering. If you have ever wondered how AI understand your questions, or some answers are crystal and clear, others are confusing, why it happens. So stick around. By the end of this episode, you will understand what is prompt and why they matters so much. And prompt engineering are shaping the future of AI jobs. So let's start today's episode of AI Dictionary. Today's topic is prompt and prompt engineering. Let's start with the question, what is prompt? Imagine you walk into a restaurant. You don't just sit there quietly, right? You will call a waiter and tell him that what you want. Maybe it's a pizza, it may be the salad or anything which you want. The words which you are speaking and the waiter who is noting down that is your order, right? In AI world, the order is prompt. A prompt is simply telling AI what you want, whether it is asking a question, whether giving an instruction to the AI or providing some kind of a context to the AI. Everything is a prompt. Just like a waiter bring food depending on your order, AI gives you an output depending on your prompt. Let's see now why prompt is important in AI. Have you ever typed something into the Google or ChatGPT and got a weird answer? That usually happens because your prompts are not clear. The prompts wasn't clear, so that's the reason your output is also not clear. So prompts are very important in AI. They act like a steering wheel of your car. You decide your direction. A well-structured prompt can give you a crystal clear and accurate answer. Otherwise, it can take you off track. In simple words, the quality of the output is depend on the quality of the input. So in AI, the quality of the input means the quality of the prompt. The prompt quality decide the output. So that is the reason why prompt is very important in AI. Now let's see what are the different types of prompts used in AI. Prompts are not just like a text. Imagine you are talking to a different smart assistant. Sometimes you type, sometimes you show some picture or an image, sometimes you speak. So AI can work with many types of prompts. First, as text prompt is like asking a ChatGPT a question, that is your text prompt. Image prompt, you can show or upload an image to AI tool and ask to edit or describe that image. So that is your image prompt. Then voice prompt, where you ask or talk to any assistant like Siri or Alexa. So that is your voice prompt. And even some cases you have a multi-modal prompt where you mix and match the text, image and audio. So that all together you can use to get an output. That is also one kind of a prompt. So these are the different prompts which you can use those prompts to talk to AI. Now let's talk about a very important new job profile in the market, and that is prompt engineering. Now think of prompt engineering is like writing the perfect exam question for a student. So if you just ask explain AI, the answer will be generic. But instead of that, if you ask explain AI in the simple words with real-time example for school student, the question is changed, the answer is much clear. What you want from that question, it will get a clear context and clear answer from the question. So this is what prompt engineering is. Asking a generic question like explain AI, or asking a crystal and clear question like explain AI, simple words with a real world example for school students. Prompt engineering is the art of crafting instruction so the AI responds exactly the way you need. It is like fine tuning the way you speak to the AI. So instead of guessing, it will give you crystal and clear answer. This is a very important job profile in the future world, the prompt engineering. Prompt engineers jobs are now increasing in the world of IT. Let's talk more about a prompt engineer. Right now, companies all over the world racing to use AI. But here is a catch. AI only works well when you provide the quality input. So as we said earlier, the AI output is depend on the quality prompt. This is where the prompt engineers come into the picture. They are like a translator between humans and machines, making sure AI will give you exactly the correct answer, the accurate answer, the result which you want. That's it for today. This was episode 3, Prompt and Prompt Engineering of AI Dictionary. We explored today what are prompts, how they are important in AI, what are the different types of prompts available, and the exciting role of prompt engineering in today's job market. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like and share this video. If you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel and click on notification bell. You can join our channel for exclusive members only videos. I will meet you in next week with new episode. Till that time, keep exploring and keep prompting AI the right way. Thank you. Thanks for watching.